You are great at what you do. You consistently deliver results and have a proven track record as well. But for some reason, you are not getting the recognition that you deserve. You feel like invisible, like your contributions go unnoticed. But the problem is, most professionals just focus on doing their job well and neglect to showcase their expertise. They don't know how to position themselves as thought leader in their industry. Be in charge of the career that helps you break out of invisibility and establish yourself as an expert. I will help you identify your area of expertise, develop a strategy to share your knowledge and insights, build your online presence, and leverage social media to build more meaningful connections. I'll guide you in developing a compelling and competent communication style. Basically, I'll help you find your own voice. Do message me today to get started with this incredible journey. This is Jyoti Pandey, your go-to career coach.